Hello, in today's class, we will learn about dryness fraction. If we are familiar with the vapor dome, we know that left side of the vapor dome is saturated liquid and right side of the vapor dome is saturated vapor. So let us say if we are operating at atmospheric pressure, the boiling starts at 100 degrees Celsius and boiling is complete at 100 degrees Celsius. That means it is a phase change process. At this point, at let us say point A, this is saturated liquid. At point B, it is saturated vapor. Okay. Now, this is a phase change process. Now, if we take, let us say, 1 kg of water, it will be liquid here. If we keep adding the heat, the same 1 kg will be converted completely here into steam. So, if you take a pressure cooker, let us say, if you take a pressure cooker, then if you have 1 kg of water, that is liquid water, at let us say 100 degrees Celsius, if we are operating at atmospheric pressure, it will be at 100 degrees centigrade, boiling starts. Then if we keep adding the heat, the same 1 kg, we are talking about a closed system, the same 1 kg will be completely converted into vapor. Okay, the same 100 degrees Celsius because temperature doesn't change during the phase change process. Now, at any given intermediate point, if we try to talk, so let us say somewhere here, we may have, so there is a phase change process. So, some part of the liquid is being converted into vapor. So, at this point, it may be like 0.5 kg is converted into steam and remaining 0.5 kg may be in the form of water. So, at any given point of time, in this wet mixture, there will be some part vapor and some part will be liquid. So, this is what we call it as wet mixture. Now, let us say dryness fraction is defined by mass of dry steam in the total mass of mixture. So, total mass of wet steam, which means it is something like we also know that the left side as saturated liquid in the data handbook is denoted by F, suffix F, and right side is denoted by G. So, mg is mass of dry steam, mg is mass of dry steam divided by total mass. Now, total mass can be further rewritten as mg divided by mf plus mg. Now, same 1 kg of liquid here could be somewhere here 0.5 kg of steam and 0.5 kg water or liquid. Similarly, if we come here even closer to the right side, it will be more of steam. So, it may be 0.8 kg steam here, 0.2 kg liquid. Same 1 kg is divided into liquid as well as steam. If you go towards left, it could be 0.2 kg of steam whereas 0.8 kg of liquid because left side it is more of liquid. Now, let us denote this by X. Now, X is the amount of water, the vapor in the total mixture. So, obviously in the total mixture, if you go towards right, it will be, if let us say 1 kg here. So, if you go to the right side, mass of water vapor on this line, saturated vapor line will be 1 kg. So, complete is steam. So, obviously X will be 1, the value of X is equal to 1 on right side of the vapor dome. Now, on the left side of the vapor dome, X is equal to 0 because this mass of water vapor will be 0 in the total gas mixture. So, it is completely liquid. So, this will be 0. So, you can say that the value of X varies from 0 to 1. So, dryness fraction simply tells you how dry the steam is. If the value of X is equal to 1, which means that the steam is completely dry. It is a dry saturated steam. If the value of X is equal to 0, it is still saturated liquid. If X is equal to 0.8 means it means 80% dry. In the total mixture, the mass of vapor is 80%. If X is equal to 0.2 means only 20% dry, which means 20% in the total mass is vapor. Okay. Thank you.